What up guys, back here with another video today. In today's video, we're going to get to installing the LG portable air conditioner. I'm going to unbox it for you guys. We're going to duct it and get it all hooked up and ready to go. If you didn't see last video, I'll put a card for that right up in the top corner there, so when you're done with this video you can go check it out. But we installed the insulation on the garage door to help keep the heat out and keep the nice cool air that this guy is going to bring us in the garage and make it more efficient. So go check that video out if you haven't already, and we're going to get to going on this. We're going to unbox the air conditioner. We went to Lowe's and got a soffit exhaust vent, and that's how it's supposed to sit in there. You're actually supposed to cut your soffit and mount it, but I think we're honestly going to just attach the ducting to it and just lay it in the soffit. Let the weight of this kind of just hold it down, and I think that's going to be just fine. Got some extra ducting because we were going to duct up, make a small hole in the ceiling here, and then the soffit is right there, so we're just going to right out the soffit. Should be nice and easy. They say you're not supposed to extend the exhaust vent more than 6 or 7, something like that, feet. You're supposed to just use the one it comes with, and that's it. But I don't see why this would be a problem doing what we're doing, so we're going to do it, give it a shot. I don't see why it would cause a problem. I mean, as long as you don't have too many kinks or bends or places where the air is going to slow down, I think it'll be fine. But anyways, I rambled long enough. Let's get to unboxing this guy. Let's see what we have here. Instructions, of course. Remote, some hardware. We have the exhaust components. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but power cable, exhaust vent that it comes with, and the little attachment for the window. That's all the exhaust stuff. And it looks like we just got the unit itself, and that's pretty much it. Got some more window trim pieces if you're going to hook this to a window, which is what you're supposed to do, but since we have a windowless garage, we are just going to wing it and do it ourselves. But yeah, some more window pieces down here. Basically, all that stuff we're not going to use. We just want the unit, and we're going to do our own ducting. So, I guess, go ahead and just split the box down the side and get this puppy out of there. Or just lift it straight up. That works too. It's a pretty nice looking unit. It's clean. Kind of small and compact, actually a lot smaller than I was thinking it was going to be. Yeah, not bad. Sweet. Alright guys, back here again. Camera died, of course, but we did get it all installed and it come out really good. We had to take away the platform that we had made and set it on because this air conditioning, it shoots so high up that when it was sitting up here it was basically just hitting the roof, and I didn't like it. So we took it away, put it back down there, and now the way it shoots up is perfect because we can still put the tires here and it doesn't affect anything. Actually, it starts coming about right here, doesn't even hit the tires, so it works out good. Everything's all plumbed up. We basically just put the fitting that it came with on and then slid this over as much as we could and put some duct tape. And it goes, we tried to keep it as straight as possible, just with a little bend there to get to the hole we had to make, because if we went straight up it wouldn't have worked out the way the attic is. There's rafters and crap right there, so we had to do it right there. So I mean, that's not bad. It goes pretty much straight up with just a little cork in there. Comes up into the attic 90, straight over to the soffits where it dumps all the exhaust right outside. So worked out good. It says in the instructions not to add your own hose and extend the length of the ones it comes with, but I have yet to see any ill effects. It's been a day or two and it's been working just fine. So maybe it's just for liability purposes that they say that, because I haven't seen any ill effects yet, so only time will tell. But it looks pretty good. We did put a crap ton of great stuff, the foam that expands from up top. And I mean, I put a crap ton of it. There's no way that's not sealed, so that's good. And yeah, pretty happy with it so far. And we'll turn it on. This came with this pretty cool remote, if I can find that. Everything's everywhere apparently. There it is. So it came with this remote. It works alright, but you do kind of got to aim it right at the front there. And since I got all this crap in the way, it's kind of difficult unless you're right here. But you may as well just push the power button over there anyways. But so let's get it turned on. I have it set for 75 right now, but we'll crank it down to 60. And there we go, nice cool air. Takes a minute for the compressor to kick on and whatnot, but there we go. So I got some nice cool air. Show you exactly how cool. Give it a minute. Getting cooler as it's turning on. You guys get the idea. Nice and cool air now. I also put this fan right there to help distribute the air throughout the garage, and it works out perfect, so that's about where the air comes to anyways. Because like I said, it shoots kind of upwards and it ends up hitting right where this fan is, and then the fan distributes it throughout the garage. So we'll see how it does. I mean, so far I'm happy with it. It's nice and quiet. I mean, it might sound, maybe the camera's picking up, I don't know how it's going to come out on this video, but in person it's not really that loud. And hopefully it works out good. Hopefully it keeps it at least comfortable in here, so it's not as hot as it is outside. I'm sure it'll be better than nothing, because Florida sucks and it's hot as hell. So yeah, should be pretty cool. We're gonna do the spark plugs on the MR2 today, and we'll see how comfortable we are doing the plugs, because it is going to be 95 degrees outside today. It's a nasty hot day in Florida, so this will be really the test to see how we like it, and see if we can stay comfortable doing the plugs, see how nice and cool the room gets and whatnot. So yeah, we'll be back with that. Alright guys, so we did the plugs in the MR2 as a comfort level test with our new portable AC unit that we installed. You guys saw all of that, and I gotta say, I'm pretty happy. Came out pretty good. It was really comfortable in here. It's a 95 degree day outside, really humid, really nasty. We went out and did some yard work before we did that. I was drenched head to toe in sweat. I mean, it was just terrible outside, nasty. Took a shower, came out here, did the plugs in the MR2. pretty comfortable, not bad. I mean, it wasn't cold. Could definitely tell a difference between inside our house and out here in the garage, but it wasn't bad. It was definitely more comfortable than if we didn't have all this stuff and we were outside or had to resort to leaving the door open with the fans on. I don't think I could have did it today. It was really freaking hot. So I'd say overall I'm pretty happy with the install, how it's performing and how it went. Time will tell. We'll see how it does, but definitely happy with it. It's going to be it for today's video as well, so make sure you drop a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on any of your thoughts or opinions on what you saw. If you're thinking about doing it yourself, so share with us what you're thinking about doing or what you got going on. And go check out our videos if you haven't already, of course, and hit subscribe down here with the bell. Help support the channel and check out our content. And we'll see y'all next time.